Hello, welcome, and for those returning to our channel, welcome back. We are Wayne Melissa Travel, a 50-plus couple sharing our adventures in budget travel. Today we are packing that toiletry bag I found at Dollar Tree. It is so lightweight, has so many pockets, it is perfect for budget travel. I think it's a great size for one person. I wouldn't recommend using it for two people. I would get each of you your own kit. All right, let's get started. I will usually be wearing my contacts, so my eyeglasses would be in this case. I can also get my spare contact lenses in that case as well. This headband I put on to keep the hair out of my face, so when I'm washing my face or putting on my makeup. You know I love my steam eye masks. I have one for each night. They warm up as soon as you take them out of the package. They're great. This is another dollar store find, this little makeup bag, and I keep very simple. I use trial size things for my makeup. The biggest piece I have here is my eyebrow pencil and brush. You know I need the mirror so I can check the back of my hair. Then I have my wipes. My Turby towel. My vitamins, my toothbrush. I do 2 pouches, one for morning and one for evening. This little razor I got at Dollar Tree also. It's great for if you have little hairs on your face or under your chin. You just kind of want to touch that up. And these jars, I have found these jars to be really great. The lids work really well. I have not had anything spill out. And those I purchased from Amazon. And the links for all of these will be down in the description. These contact lens cases are great for creams, gels. I put Vaseline in each one of these. I need to replace that one. But Vaseline is great. You can use it for so many things and it doesn't spill. This is a collagen face mask. I typically take one of these to do on the plane. And then cotton swabs are always handy to have. These little silicone hooks, I got these at Dollar Tree, and they hold a hanger with a shirt on it. So it's great to dry clothes or steam clothes if you want to hang them outside of your shower door. Then I also found this at Dollar Tree. This is a solid nasal inhaler for those times when you feel like you might be getting a cold or you're a little stuffy. It's just something nice to have. And then these little bottles, they hold hairspray. I put hairspray and sometimes I'll put like a facial gel in it. These sample size perfumes. Now these are very thin, very lightweight. You drop a little bit of water on them and they turn into a full size facial sponge. They are fantastic. I would recommend keeping one of those in your purse on the daily. Now in the summertime, I opt to use spray deodorant. It's just more refreshing for me because it's so hot outside. And then my contact lens case, this is where I put them at night and do the cleaning process. I would love to know what you guys put in your toiletry kits. I am always wanting to learn, and please put them down in the comments. Let's help each other out. All right, everything I have is going to fit very nicely into our $1.25 toiletry kit. There really is no right or wrong way to put the items in. I guess the way I did it is I was thinking what I would need to get to and grab easily. And so those things I put on the outside, and then the bulkier items like my glasses and my cosmetic case, I put those on the inside. I'm also thinking with these handles and my suction cups, if I wanted to, I could hang this on either the mirror or a glass shower door. These suction cups work also with tile, so you could use them potentially on the wall or on the shower if it is a tiled shower. I think this would be great to have on a cruise also. I know sometimes when I go on a cruise, I will take one of those over the door shoe holders, and those are great to hold things in a cruise because you're very limited space. So far, everything is going in so nicely. It really is amazing how much you can get in this little bag. And the plastic on this bag is very soft, so it's very malleable. I know sometimes toiletry kits or plastic items, especially from Dollar Tree, can be a little stiff, but this is super easy. These also came in black, where this one's trimmed in white. They also had some that were trimmed in black. And I think you could use this bag for so many things. If you're a crafter and you're just wanting to take a few things with you, you could do that. You could put some tools in this. You can put school supplies in this, a little stationery kit. I think this would just be a really cute gift if you did a hostess gift. What kinds of things would you put in here for a hostess gift? I'm curious. Turby towel right on top. I had to kind of squish it and hold the sides together to zip it, but it zipped up fine. Didn't seem to put any stress on to the bag or on the zippers. What do you guys think? Would you carry something like this? I have packed with it twice now, and I think it's super. And it came in at less than 1.2 pounds for the entire thing packed. I highly recommend this bag. We appreciate you sticking with us to the end of this video. We share travel tips, packing videos, and tools for navigating the points and miles ecosystem. If this interests you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out. Have a great day, and we will see you next time.